Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down crystal clear water that's of perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment, washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are. This unique expression of divine light and love. Allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face. Flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. Healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing. Allow yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose. Allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards. 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. Some place out in nature. It could be at the beach looking out over the ocean. It could be in the mountains, in a garden, in a forest, wherever you choose. Whatever place you find most beautiful, or whatever place you might find most beautiful today, because sometimes we choose to have different views. Wherever you might find yourself today, just look around and just notice what you find beautiful, what you find magnificent, what you find abundant. Whether it's the ocean or a tree or a mountain, whatever it might be. Allow yourself to really appreciate that beauty. Really taking in that awesomeness with a sense of gratitude for being able to experience that. And allow yourself to acknowledge that part of you that would say, I'm so grateful that this thing isn't hidden. I'm so grateful that this magnificent thing I'm looking at is there to be appreciated. It's there to be experienced. Its beautiful gift is being shared. Even though that means it is exposed to the elements. but it's doing what it was meant to be. It's doing what it's meant for. And allowing yourself to acknowledge that even though there are risks, you are likewise meant to be shared. You are likewise meant to be seen. You have gifts and talents to share. And allow yourself to know that it's worth it. Because deep inside, you know that it's worth it. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here hearing me say this right now. Something inside of you said, I need to be here right now, hearing this message. That you are a gift, and you are meant to be seen and shared, and you can handle it. If you didn't know that you could handle it, again, you wouldn't be here hearing this right now. Allowing yourself to continue letting go of the fears based on misunderstandings. The fears based on past experiences, but again, oftentimes misunderstandings about those past experiences. Because you are here. Whatever has happened in the past, you have handled it. You have what it takes. You can handle being seen, you can handle sharing yourself, and you can handle all of the benefits that come with that as well. And allowing yourself to find even more and more confidence and faith in yourself as we go even deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic. Feeling much better than before. Much more confident in yourself. Having much more faith in yourself and a much greater willingness to share the gift that is you with the world. Personally and professionally. Allowing yourself to let go of those past patterns that you use to keep yourself hidden. You don't need those anymore. Love and appreciate those parts of you that did that in the past when it felt necessary, and allowing yourself to be more and more free. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit, so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day again, powerfully moving forward into that ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. Down to 0, which is always sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. And welcome back.